Solana generally is a highest level digital money right now, evaluated at $106.82, that has a place with the class of mintable coins with a market capitalization of $47, 127, 171, 311, or so they certainly thought. Over the exact beyond couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Solana, laid out a very impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms forks in a kind of enormous way. A few institutional financial backers even most certainly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an exceptionally significant way. Retail financial backers and brokers, for the most part, are truly keen on digital currencies, genuinely, for example, Sol, since this truly is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources truly have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat truly brief time frame in a by and large significant manner. These profits in a real sense are really out of reach in especially different business sectors, which certainly is the justification for why most kind of moderate financial backers by and large are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Solana, while the groundbreaking ones in a real sense commit a critical piece of their especially funding to this quickly creating resource class, which generally is very huge. At this truly specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carry the cost of Solana to the level at $106.82 where it right now sits, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As currently referenced, Sol really is a highest level cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 5th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the genuinely metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the extremely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which sort of is very huge. On account of Solana, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at $47, 127, 171, 311. The significance of this boundary will sort of be truly made sense of later, which certainly is genuinely huge. Our cost expectation calculation generally is planned in truly such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to give our supporters the most dependable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently, in a real sense, evaluate the condition of their portfolio and explicitly conclude whether it needs to explicitly be reconfigured in every way that really matters enormous way. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which sort of is really basic for the especially right assessment of both genuinely current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its genuinely present and future course, which basically shows that a few institutional financial backers even most certainly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive way. Beneath you will find kind of key extracts of this authentic information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Solana market explicitly is going, or so they thought. Yesterday, on February 25, Sol explicitly was esteemed at $104.18 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that cryptographic forms of money for the most part are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change rate-wise over the said period added up to 410% in a quite huge manner. 7 days prior, on February 19, Solana truly was exchanged at $112.18 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its fundamentally present situation in an unobtrusive manner. On January 26, which in every practical sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Sol at $92.44, the cost level that basically is at the distance of 55% from where it at present stands, which basically is genuinely huge. The cost of Sol and the readings of CVIX especially are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts a major way. Market capitalization truly is another significant in every practical sense metric that for the most part assists traders with, in a real sense, deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to as well as its future possibilities, which truly is genuinely huge. It's likewise used to really survey the offer that Solana essentially holds inside the sort of whole digital money market in an unobtrusive manner. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization really is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to especially is duplicated by its genuinely current cost, for the most part further Appearance: how Solana is a highest level digital money right now, evaluated at $106.82, that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $47,127,171,311. Incredibly, as of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Sol truly remains at $47,127,171,311, enough to name it the fifth, particularly the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. Recently, on February 25, the market capitalization of Solana basically remained at $45,953,674,350, or so they in a real sense thought. 7 days prior, on February 19, the capitalization of Sol essentially was $49,440,314,496 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on January 26, how much truly capital streaming around this specific market generally added up to $40s or $51,732s or $62 in an unobtrusive manner. Most digital money financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a truly certain cryptographic money and its capacity to endure disturbances which truly are the normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. The complete stockpile of Sol right now truly remains at 570,543,905 coins in a significant manner. The flowing stockpile of the digital money under survey generally is 441,202,536 Sol. Pretty further appearance: how yesterday, on February 25, Sol fundamentally was esteemed at $104.18 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Especially recollect that digital forms of money basically are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which certainly is genuinely critical. This Solana cost expectation wouldn't be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by practically all digital currency merchants to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move, which generally is very critical. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain by and large is happening on the rear of the genuinely low exchanging volume, there in every practical sense is an especially high likelihood that this move certainly is impractical and would in every way that really matters bring about a bullish snare, exhibiting that yesterday, on February 25, the market capitalization of Solana explicitly remained at $45,953,674,350, which truly is very huge. Consequently, it's vital to by and large dissect the past and the kind of current exchanging volume of Sol request to essentially comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, especially further appearance how the equation for the computation of market capitalization generally is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to is duplicated by its truly current cost. Essentially further appearance how Solana generally is a highest level digital currency at present valued at $106.82 that has a place with a class of minimal coins with a market capitalization of $47,127,171,311, or so they thought. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Solana market generally